Hi everyone. So now we'll learn fifth standard social studies lesson 1 globe and maps. Okay, let's start. So this is the globe. We can see that is the round. So in which we can see the different types of regions, that is land and ocean and boundaries of the countries. Second is the map. You know that map is the thing through which we can get idea about the area and the boundaries of the different continent as well as country. Okay, and you know that while reading a map there is a particular or code language is used, so that language we will study in this lesson. And atlas, it is a flat and it can be useful to find out the different parts of the earth with a total land as well as ocean as well as island there. Then direction, it is very useful to find out the location of the particular place, that is country or any kinds of ocean, river, mountain, etc. Scale, the scale is very useful to find out the distance between the different types of countries, ocean or anything. So it is an activity, you have to do it at your home. Write this answer in your textbook. So what you have to do, you have to see the map. So it is the direction there, north is upper side, south is lower side, east is the right side and west is the left side. So write the direction of the given places with the reference to the banyan tree. So it is a banyan tree there. According to that, we have to find the direction of that. So it is the banyan tree. As the reference to the banyan tree, whatever the left side, right side, or that is the north, south, east, west, you have to write here. Park, so you have to write the direction of the park. Library is there, you have to write the direction of the library. Hospital is there, as well as post office is there. Okay, do it carefully. So Earth, you know that Earth is our planet and living thing only found on the Earth. In ancient times, people believed that Earth was flat. Do you know, actually some long years ago, people thought that the Earth was flat and they would fall off from its surface if they travel to its edge. So in the olden time, people believe that the Earth is not oval or spherical. So it is flat. So they do not travel to its edge because there is a chances they will feel that they thought that they fall off. So in around 500 BCE, before birth of Christ, a Greek scholar or the philosopher Pythagoras proposed that the earth is round. So remember this. When did it is proposed that earth is round? Around 500 BC. And name the scholar or the philosopher of that who proposed that earth is round. That is this person, Pythagoras. He proposed the theorem. So that is very important in the trigonometry or geometry. So Earth in modern era or age, or you can see that satellite images of the Earth that prove that the shape of the Earth is like an orange or sphere. So how is the shape of the Earth? Orange or the sphere? Means middle is bulged and flattened at the north and south region. Understand everybody? How is the shape of the Earth? That is the shape of the Earth like an orange, which is spherical. We can comprehend the shape of the Earth with the help of the globe. So you can see that this is a globe which is useful to know or understand the shape of the Earth. So this is our achievement. You have to write this question answer at your home. First question, who proposed that Earth is round? Second question, why did ancient people do not travel to the Earth edge? So what is the reason? You have to write, read the PPT. I will send the PPT, read and learn answer. And last is that, how is the shape of the Earth? Okay, do it and learn it. Thank you.